to recovery is never easy. It's important to always keep yourself motivated and remind yourself why you are in this journey. As humans, when things get tough, we have a tendency to fall back into our old patterns. In order to overcome an addiction, something that takes a lot of hard work and personal dedication, we desperately need support and encouragement. When we read powerful and inspiring quotes, they make sense to us. The words resonate with us internally and have a positive impact. They give us the push we need on our way to becoming our best selves. If you are sick and tired of being sick and tired and contemplating sobriety, take a look at the most important 5 points. They might just inspire you to take the first step towards the rest of your life. Point 1. It won't be like this forever. Addiction makes a person feel hopeless and trapped. It controls us and makes us forget who we used to be. But the path of recovery is a step towards gaining control of your life once again. You no longer have to be a slave to the disease. And with sobriety, it is possible to gain back the sense of freedom you felt you lost so long ago. Point 2. No matter what the situation is, remind yourself, I have a choice. Make your own choice to come back in a sober life. Sobriety is a choice. Ultimately, it's up to us and us alone to come out of denial and make the first step towards recovery. Likewise, when we are faced with an unexpected setback or a strong urge to use, we have the power to determine the outcome. Effective treatment can help us identify and overcome our triggers, as well as allow us to make our own decisions about how to respond. Point 3. You are stronger than you think. A lot of us think there's no way we'll ever be able to give up drugs or alcohol. But we underestimate the strength within ourselves. Sure, the easier route may be to give up and go back to our old ways, but we are fully capable of beating this disease once and for all. All it takes is focus, determination, and hard work. Point 4. When everything seems like an uphill struggle, just think of the view from the top. Nobody ever said getting clean was easy, and it takes discipline to maintain it long term. And while the uphill climb may seem impossible at first, the end result is one of the most rewarding accomplishments you will ever experience. The reward is regaining your life and reaching your true potential, making the hard work at the beginning totally worth it. Point 5. You are worth it. Many of us suffer from low self-esteem, which in turn perpetuates the cycle of addiction. But struggling with an addiction doesn't mean we are incapable, weak, or unworthy. And it certainly doesn't mean we can change our lives around and move past the disease that has been holding us back. We are all worthy of being happy and of living our lives to the fullest. Embrace your worth as a human being and never settle for anything less than the healthy, happy, and sober life you deserve. Your motivation clarifies your goal. When you are inspired, you have a desire to change your life. Motivation pushes you towards your goal because of the desire to change. Motivation helps you to articulate your goal so that you know in which direction you are walking. Always remember, one of the hardest things is learning that you are worth recovery. Believe in yourself. Believe in your own strength. Set your goal accordingly. You will find a way. Strength does not come from physical capacity. It comes from an indomitable will. Recovery is hard, but regret is harder. You can defeat the darkness by keeping it caged inside of you. Throw away the darkness from you. Be positive always. Life doesn't get easier or more forgiving. We get stronger and more resilient. Avoid looking forward or backward and try to keep looking upward. The world breaks everyone, and afterward many are strong at the broken places. That which does not kill us makes us stronger. Courage isn't having the strength to go on. It is going on when you don't have strength. Change must start from you only, and you must want and feel ready to make